Hi, are you looking for an easier way to create compelling live video? I'm one of the founders of Broadcast Pix, and I'd like to tell you about our video production system called Granite. Granite looks like a conventional switcher for switching cameras, but it also has a content server that adds graphics and clips and other file-based sources. With Granite, a single operator can create a highly polished production, one that used to require a big control room with lots of equipment and people. Let's take a closer look. Granite Switcher has 11 SDI inputs for cameras and other video sources, and 6 outputs. You can add a second I/O board to double that to 22 in and 12 out. It runs native HD inside. Just connect the cable, and it automatically detects whether it's 1080i, 720p, or standard definition. And it outputs in multi-definition too. So far it's nice, but what makes it so unique is the cable that connects to the content server and brings in 7 channels of HD clips and graphics. I can access all of those video and file inputs from Granite's control panel. The buttons have built-in displays. We call them Pix buttons. They show the name of each video source, like Camera 1 or my studio-wide camera. Like any switcher, I can select one on preview and take it to air. Or I can select a camera on preview, add a couple of key layers to it, and take the composition to air. The Pix buttons also identify my file-based sources with an icon, like these for clips, animations, stills, and CG titles. With Shift, I can see a second channel of file stores and more cameras. The Pix buttons even show me the name of the file that's currently loaded. Like the clip store has the Vegas clip. So when I select clips, I know exactly which clip I'm getting. And when I take it to air, the clips start playing right on the transition, automatically. To select a different file, the panel has a bank of Pix buttons called a Pix pad. I can change from the Vegas clip to another by just selecting it on the Pix pad. Or I can go to another page of clips, or I can look at my animation store, or one of my CG title stores. Each time, the Pix pad instantly shows me the file names to choose from. The other half of Granite's file-friendly control system is its MultiView. It looks like a conventional MultiView, with program output and preview, and each camera, but it also shows my file inputs with their file names below. And the MultiView has its own Pix pad that follows the one on the panel. So when I punch clips on the panel, it shows the clip thumbnails along with their file names and metadata. And it also follows as I select a still store or an animation store. Another unique feature of this MultiView is that it has a window for each of the switcher's 6 keyers, so I can see exactly what is on each one. I can also customize the MultiView by just grabbing a window to move it, or enlarge it, or replicate it across up to 4 monitors. Where do all these files come from? They come from both inside the system and outside. Inside the system is a built-in Harris Inscriber character generator to easily create broadcast quality graphics. I can even connect my CG to a database or RSS feed. Most files come from outside the system, from your favorite graphics or editing system, like this laptop that's using Final Cut to edit a new roll-in clip. When done, the editor just drops the clip into Granite's watch folder, and it moves over the network into Granite's content server. My MultiView tells me the new clip has arrived, and it shows up on a Pix button, or I can select it and take it to air. How's that for a simple file-based workflow? The Granite content server can hold up to 120 hours of clips and countless graphics. Think of Granite as a bilingual switcher, one that's fluent in both video and files. That's why we call its workflow software Fluent, like Fluent watch folders and a Fluent MultiView. One really powerful application is Fluent Macros. With one push, I can fire off an animated transition that includes video and files with audio. Or this Fluent macro sets up a triple box on preview. I can roll it to air, which starts the background playing, and when I'm ready, I can bring out its clip to full screen, bring up its title, and start an animated logo playing. It can make anyone look like a seasoned pro. Granite also lets me control a robotic camera, like this one that just appeared. I can select a preset position on my Pix pad, or I can use the joystick to manually control its position or zoom. I can also control its white balance and other camera settings. I can also control an audio mixer or a video streamer. I can be a one-man band, or I can run the switcher and add a second operator for graphics. I can also add an operator on a laptop running our soft panel, or one on an iPhone running our PixPad app. I've been showing you our Granite 1000, but there's a whole family of models. There's a large 2ME Granite 5000 system for the most demanding productions, and there's an affordable Granite 100 that you can control with a mouse or a touchscreen, or from an Apple iPad with our panel app. In addition to Granite, our even more affordable Slate family is great for standard definition, analog, and HD. There's even a Slate portable model. Broadcast Pix systems are now used in over 80 countries to create live content for television, internet, stadiums, schools, churches, wherever live video is produced. You no longer need a big, expensive control room. Granite is a much easier and more cost-effective way to create compelling live video. Thank you for watching. To find out more, please visit our website, broadcastpix.com.